Good day, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and enjoying your time at home. Okay. So, children, in my last video, we discussed about five sense organs and five senses. Today, I'm going to revise those five senses in brief and I will tell you some interesting facts about them. Okay, let's take a look at one by them. Okay. So here you can see that you've got five sense organs. Number one, your eyes, then your ears, then your nose, tongue, and your hand, right? That's your skin. And the five senses that they will give you. With eyes, you have your sense of sight. That means you are able to see other person. With ears, you have the ability to listen. That's the sense of hearing. With nose, you have your sense of smelling the things. And with your tongue, you have your sense of taste. And with your skin, you've got the sense of touch. Right? Now, all these things you are already aware of what these five senses mean to you. They're very important, right? So let's discuss some interesting facts about them, shall we? Okay. Number one, your sense of sight. We all know that your eyes are very important. They help you see, and if anyone has problems with the eyesight, they wear spectacles, correct? And if anyone is not able to see at all, those are blind people, they use a special sign language of braille, right? They read the things with the help of braille written language. Now, did you know that your eye muscles are the most active ones in your body? And you know that how many working parts does your eye have? You've got 2 million working parts in your eyes. Isn't it interesting? Right. Similarly, your nose. Your nose helps you to smell or sniff the things, right? Your nose and nasal cavities have got special cells which I told you in my last class as well. We call them olfactory sensory cells. These cells have the ability, they give you the ability to smell the things. And do you know that we can smell only 1/20th of a dog? That means dogs have the strongest smelling power. Okay, their ability to smell the things is more than us. Okay, also when you sneeze, have you ever seen that you cannot sneeze with your eyes open? Whenever you sneeze, your eyes get automatically closed like this. So that is something that you did not do intentionally, it happens automatically. So what do we call that kind of action? It is known as involuntary action. In your body system, some actions, some responses come automatically, and some where you have your control, those are known as voluntary actions. And some like blinking of your eyes or closing of eyes when you're sneezing, these are the examples of involuntary actions of your organs. Okay, so that was about your nose and ability to smell. Now let's come to ears. Ears give you sense of hearing. You're able to understand me because you are able to listen to what I'm trying to tell you, right? Did you know that your ears have very tiny hair inside which supports your hearing ability? If we lose those hair inside your ears, it affects your hearing ability to most extent. You start losing hearing ability, hearing loss will happen if you lose the hair. So that happens with age. Other than that, there are three tiny bones inside your ear. They're so tiny that you can place them on a piece of coin, on a single coin. Okay? there's one more thing that I wanted to tell you about ears. Have you ever noticed when you go up on the mountains, when you go to a hilly area, right? So whenever you climb up, when you are moving from plains towards the hills, you feel a lot of discomfort in your ears. Sometimes you hear ringing, and sometimes you feel like that you're going deaf, you're not able to hear well. Why does that happen? That even causes you pain, and sometimes you feel dizzy. So that happens because when you move up on the mountains, there is a change in pressure of the air outside, right? So when you go up on the mountains, that gives you discomfort and causes pain in the ear. So that pain automatically eases when you come back to plains, right? So let's talk about the next sense organ, which is your tongue. Your tongue gives you sense of tasting. And last video I told you that what helps you to taste, you've got four different tastes: salty, sweet, bitter and sour, right? But there are some special parts on your tongue which help you taste the things, which helps you tell the difference between the tastes. And what are those called? We call them taste buds. Did you know that your tongue has got about 2000 to 8000 taste buds? Isn't it interesting? Okay. Okay, so last one we are left with is your skin. Your skin gives you sense of touch. You are able to feel it. Do you remember I told you what is that special thing that helps you sense the sense of touch? How do you feel the things? So what is that thing in your skin? These are known as receptor cells. Whenever you touch something hot, you instantly pull your finger away. So there are these receptor cells in your fingers, on your skin, that gives you a message, that sends a message to the brain that I have touched something hot. So what does your brain do? Your brain processes that information and sends it back to another set of cells. We call them effector. Again, they are on your skin, which tells you that it is hot, so pull your finger away. So this happens so quick that it is an instant reaction. The moment you touch it, you pull it away. But touching it, starting from touching that hot thing and pulling it away, this information has been sent by receptors to the brain and then back to your skin. Okay? So your brain is something that controls all the functions, major functions, and all the functions of your body, how your body system acts. Okay? Now kids, this was all about your sense organs and five senses and some interesting things related to these senses. Now, as your homework, you have been asked to make a card using the Braille language. Let me show you the Braille language once again. Okay, here you can see that different alphabets, how they can be written in Braille, is given on the top. So you have been asked to see what the specific letter, how the specific letter can be written in the Braille language. Using that, you need to make a card and write down stay home, stay safe. So let's say the first letter is S. So you will see S. How does it look like in Braille? Like this. So you will draw that alphabet in Braille. Similarly, you will complete all the letters in that phrase, stay home, stay safe, and you will make a card. Okay kids, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.